Hello dears, I Kaushik sir welcome you to your favorite channel Learn with Kaushik. Today we will discuss about some advanced features of MS Word. MS Word is an application software which is developed by Microsoft company. It is also known as Microsoft Word. It is used to create, edit, print and share professional looking documents such as application, form, templates, business letters, paper, report, etc. Today we will discuss about watermark, header and footer and footnote and endnote. For that, go to MS Word. To open MS Word, go to Start, then click on All Program, then from there you select Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Office Word 2007. You click on that. If anyone have any other version, accordingly you open that. After opening your MS Word, when you click on Microsoft Office Word 2007, the MS Word software will display in our desktop. After that, you open any one document. Suppose I have some document and I open this Kabir. Okay, now I need to apply watermark in this document. See, watermark is a design embossed into a piece of paper during its production and used for identification of the paper and paper maker. The watermark can be seen when the paper is held against the light. A watermark in MS Word document is a text or graphic that can be placed behind the main text in a document. As a watermark, we can able to apply text or picture. For that, you go to page layout option in menu bar, then click on it. When you click on page layout in ribbon bar, that watermark option will be displayed. From there, you click on watermark, then when you click on watermark, some predefined format will be displayed on another one dialog box. From there, if you need to apply, you click on that predefined format, or otherwise you go to custom watermark and click on it. When you click custom watermark, there three options will be displayed: no watermark, picture watermark and text watermark. Suppose first we want to apply text watermark in our document, then you select text, then type your text. Suppose I will type here my name. Okay, after that, if you need to change the font of that text, you can change here. Then if you need to change the size, that one also possible, and if you need to change the color of the text, then that one also possible. Okay, after setting this, you click on apply option. Before that, another one option is there, layout, diagonally or horizontal. Means if you select horizontal, then our text what we want to apply as a watermark, that one will be displayed will be displayed in horizontal form, and if you select diagonal, then that one will be displayed in diagonal. Okay, after that you click on apply, then okay. You can able to see our main text is there. Behind of main text, that watermark will be displayed. Watermark is displaying. Okay, like this you can apply watermark in your document. If you need to apply watermark, means if you need to apply an image as watermark, then you go to that watermark option and click on custom watermark, then select picture watermark. After that select the picture, then choose any one picture from your destination folder, then click on apply option. When you click on apply, then that picture will be displayed behind of the text. Okay, it is called watermark. And if you need to remove this watermark, then go to watermark and click on remove watermark, then your watermark will be removed from your document. That is watermark. Next option is header and footer. Header and footer are text or graphics that are usually printed at the top and bottom margins, respectively, of every page in a document. By default, the header are printed 0.5 inch from the top of the page and footer are printed 0.5 inch from the bottom of the page. Let's do the practical. For that, go to insert, click on header footer. When you click on header, some format will be displayed. From there, if you need to select, then you select, otherwise go to edit header. See, suppose I have selected second one, then that text will be displayed here. Okay, suppose in middle we need the heading, then you type here Kabir. Then in left side, suppose we need to apply date, today's date, then you click on today's date. And in right side, if you need to apply time, then you select the time. Okay, this header part finish. After that we need to go to footer. For that you click here go to footer. When you click on go to footer, it will jump to footer area. Then here similarly, if you need to type text, you can type, or if you want to place image, you can place also image here. Suppose I want to type here continue. Okay, after that close header and footer. See, now it is in the top date, heading, time, and in bottom continue. Okay, if we will create any other file, there also that header and footer option will be displayed. Okay, that is header and footer. Next, if we need to remove header and footer from our document, then how to remove? Similarly, you go to insert, click on header, then you choose remove header, and footer you click on footer and click remove footer, then footer also will be displayed. That is header and footer. Last is we will know about footnote and endnote. See, footnote and endnote are used in printed document to explain, comment on, or provide references for text in a document. You can include both footnotes and endnote in the same document. But one thing you remember, when we apply footnote, it will be presented in the end of each current page, but if you apply endnote, it will be presented in the end of the document, and footnote and endnote are not displayed in normal view. To see them, you will have to use print preview or print layout view. To do the practical, first you go to reference, click on it, then select any text where you want to apply footnote, then click on insert footnote, then you type your text, and see which word we have selected to apply footnote. There another one alphabet will present 1. Okay, means here we have applied footnote. Okay, when you go to top, go on that text, that footnote will be displayed on your screen. But if you want to apply endnote, you click on endnote, then type the text, okay, then we have 2 pages, but when we apply endnote, that one will be presented in the last page of the document, that is called endnote, and it is also the difference. If we apply footnote, it will display in the end of each page. If we apply endnote, it will display in the last page of the document. And if you need to remove it, then you select and delete. Accordingly, your main text also will be deleted. Same thing, this one also like that you can delete. Okay, these 3 options I have discussed. Hope all are able to understand better manner. If anyone have any doubt, write in comment section, and if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification when I will upload a video. Thank you. Have a nice day.